Join the private sector energy efficiency movement led by the National Business Initiative by plugging into energy efficiency and stem the tide of rising energy costs.
So typically in South Africa, with water heating, there's a big market for solar water heating and there's heat pumps. So we'll talk a little bit about both of them. I think some of you asked me at the beginning of this about solar water heating. So basically, if you look at solar water heating, basically, solar water heating produces hot water, obviously when the sun is shining, so effectively for free. And basically, solar water heating systems in South Africa are typically well established, and you get different types of solar water heating systems. Okay, so typically, if you look in the rural communities and stuff, they put the low pressure solar water heaters, which is low cost. But there's lots of problems with quality in terms of those type of things. The suppliers that install those things are they do quick and nasty solutions, so it's a big safety risk for the people that live in the communities. And typically, if you live in an urban area, residential area, you find that typically you use a high pressure solar water heating system, and those are typically quite expensive currently. You're looking anywhere from 20,000 to about 30,000 Rand, depending on the size of the system and how fancy you want it to be. And there's also an Eskom rebate for that, which is I think typically about 5,000 Rand or 6,000 Rand. I'm not sure how long that's going to last because Eskom currently is struggling financially with the DSM. They've stopped a lot, but the solar water heating subsidies are still in place at the moment. But yeah, so depending on the type of system you want, they can be quite expensive. Okay, and with the solar water heating system, depending on how you use the water and stuff, you can get good energy savings over the year. Okay, so potentially can give you about 20% saving in your electricity bill. But more on your water heating, you can save up to about 40–50%, even more. But it depends on the area as well. In winter, you can save less. In summer, you save more. Okay. And the problem in winter is that it relies on the electricity backup, isn't it? For the solar water heating, or on a cloudy day, for example. If there's no sun, then you're not going to get any water heating.